Why astronomy matters. A message for all humanity. On April 1, 2026, the world witnessed a remarkable milestone when NASA launched the Artemis II mission. 4 astronauts traveled farther from Earth than any humans before them, circling the Moon and returning safely. While this achievement highlights human innovation, it also reminds us of something deeper. Astronomy is not just about space. It is about understanding our place in the universe and our responsibility to one another. Astronomy connects all humanity. Astronomy is one of the few sciences that belongs equally to everyone. The sky is not owned by any nation, race, or religion. When we look at the moon, the stars, or the sun, we are all looking at the same universe. From an Islamic perspective, the heavens are filled with signs, ayat, that invite reflection. And among his signs are the night and the day, and the sun and the moon. Qur'an 41:37. The moon, for example, is not only a celestial body, it shapes daily life for millions of people. It determines the Islamic calendar, guiding important events like Ramadan and Eid. Its regular cycles remind us that the universe operates with balance, order, and purpose. Astronomy inspires reflection and humility. When astronauts on Artemis II looked back at Earth from deep space, they saw something powerful. Our planet appeared small, fragile, and alone in the vast darkness. This perspective changes how we think. It reminds us that human differences are small compared to the vastness of creation. Our planet is precious and must be protected. We are part of a much larger design. Islam encourages this kind of reflection, tafakkur. The Qur'an invites us to observe creation not just for knowledge, but for understanding and humility. Travel through the earth and observe how creation began. Qur'an 29:20. Astronomy helps us do exactly that, on a global scale. Astronomy drives progress that benefits everyone. Astronomy is not only philosophical, it has practical benefits that impact everyday life. Satellite technology, used in GPS, communication, and weather forecasting. Advances in medicine and engineering. Better understanding of climate and Earth's environment. Space exploration pushes the limits of human knowledge, and the results come back to improve life on Earth. The same curiosity that sends humans to the moon helps solve problems here at home. In Islam, the pursuit of knowledge is a form of worship. The human intellect, AQL, is a gift, and using it responsibly is part of our role as stewards, Khalifa, on Earth. A shared responsibility astronomy also teaches responsibility. When we see Earth from space, we realize how delicate it is. There are no visible borders, only one shared home. This aligns with the Islamic concept of amana, trust. The Earth is not ours to exploit endlessly. It is entrusted to us to care for and protect. Simple takeaways. We are one human family. Astronomy shows that we share one planet and one universe. It encourages unity over division. Knowledge should lead to humility. The more we discover, the more we realize how much we do not know. This should bring gratitude, not arrogance. We must care for our planet. Seeing Earth from space reminds us that protecting our environment is a responsibility for all humanity. Conclusion. The journey of Artemis II was not just a scientific achievement, it was a reminder that beyond our daily concerns lies a vast universe full of meaning, order, and beauty. Astronomy invites us to think, to reflect, and to grow, not just in knowledge, but in wisdom. For believers, it strengthens faith. For humanity as a whole, it builds connection, responsibility, and hope. As we continue to explore the stars, we are also discovering something closer to home. Who we are, why we are here, and how we must live together on this small, precious earth.